Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with a bed liner on this vehicle. You even get a little tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on each side, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, as well as spotlights. This vehicle does come with a remote start, which is perfect for those cold winter months. We got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt with USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. You can, of course, get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 97,233 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. We got a interior work surface, which is perfect for putting your food here, your laptop, paperwork, totally up to you. We do get our normal storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, a dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a nice B&O sound system, and we get this lovely powered rear window opener. Looking here, we have our backup camera, hazards, hill and traction, your media controls, and on our main screen here we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls right here. You can see who's been previously connected. Navigation, pretty handy. We do get our fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, Wi-Fi hotspot. Any apps you may download it will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And your normal vehicle settings, Amazon Alexa, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8131, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.